So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So now dear aspirants, many messages are coming to me. Sir, what is next exam? When it is going to happen? So in this video I am going to draw all the necessary information which I have and which is available on the authenticate website of the NMC. I am going to draw all the important points. Okay, and if at all the new points are coming in the future or the coming days, we are going to update on our YouTube channel, as we used to do with all the news which come for the examination, all the latest news which come for the examination, we used to announce on the same day. So what is next exam? It is a national exit test. So when it is going to get started, the big question is there in all your mind. So now they have put the bill in the July 2023. So it will take 2 to 3 years to get begin. So it is not going to get conducted next year or this coming year. Mostly it is going to get started from the year 2026. So those students who are in the third year, your final year or internship, you people don't have to worry for this next exam. Those students who are going to take admission for the BDS maybe or in the first year or second year, they have to be little worry for this next exam. Worry means what? It is not going to get something different or some unknown thing they are going to ask. It will be the same thing. Your BDS curriculum from first to final year will be there, but later the pattern will be changed. You don't have any reference that what all things and how the things are going to pan out. You know, previously, let's say anybody is going to give NEET exam, you have the reference of, okay, last 4 to 5 year paper you have one blueprint how you have to prepare, and things will be there for you people. But for next exam, it will be new for the coming day student. So it will be a different ball game. This is the only, the worrisome thing for the students. Otherwise, the course and everything will be remain same. That is from first to final year. Okay, dear student. So it is the next exam, which is considered to be the exit test. Okay, it is not only for the practice, but it is also for the admission to your PG course. It was introduced in the latest new National Dental Commission bill, and the single exam is going to replace all your entrance exam like the NEET MDS or the INACT and final year exams. Okay, dear student, what are the key features of this next exam? The first is it will give you the license to practice. If at all you want to practice after BDS, nowadays just we complete the internship and immediately we can open the clinic and we can practice. But after the introduction of the next exam, you need to pass if you want to practice. Second, to get dental registration in your concerned state. And third, for the admission to PG course in any college, government or private college, you need to clear your next exam. Okay. Mostly it is coming in 2 steps, step 1 and step 2. This step, whatever I am explaining, is not for the dental. Okay, they are not mentioned in that bill that okay, for the dentistry or for the dental students, the step 1 is this and step 2 is this. Okay, but I am going to note down or jot down all the points which is for the medical, because in almost all the things we used to follow the MBBS students. Let's say I'm talking about 2014-15. Previously, the AIPG was there. Okay. Similarly, for the medical student also, the All India Medical Entrance Test was there. Okay. After they have the NEET exam, and suddenly we got the NEET exam also. The pattern remains same. So whatever the medical students or medical commission will do, the same thing the dental students or the dental commission is going to get followed. So just a brief I am telling, the steps can be there or cannot be there, but whatever the medical students are following, the same thing I am telling. Mostly for step 1, it used to be after your final year. Okay, exam used to be conducted twice in a year. The exam will be the MCQ based, mostly the online mode will be there. They are planning to have this centralized exam, means the center will be one only, like your NEET MDS examination. The syllabus will be of the final year, and this step 1 score will be important for your PG entrance or PG admission also. Okay. Then step 2, once in a year. Mostly the step 2 will be the practical or clinical examination, which will include a viva voce examination. Okay. and here they are not going to give any marks or percentage, just a pass or fail will be there. If you are pass, you can able to practice. If we want to say in summary, the next one will be the MCQ based examination. If you are clearing next one exam, you are going to get eligible for the internship, and that same score will be for your PG admission also. After completing your internship, the next two will be there. If anybody don't want to go for the PG admission or the MDS, they have to give the next two, mostly practical exam, and then you are licensed to practice. So this is the scenario which is there right now at present about the next one and next two examination. Next one will be MCQ and next two will be practical. Now what students have to do? As I have told, they are not going to get implemented from the next year or 2 years after. Mostly the first and second year students will have to be alert. How they have to be alert? Because mostly university exam comprises of the short essay, long essay, and a theoretical examination. But this will be the MCQ examination, means you should have a proper knowledge to give the examination. In my college students, I used to tell them they used to read the notes only, or some preparation series just for the examination, or they used to study the last 5 to 10 years papers. Now the things will not be there. You have to study properly. You have to be the conceptual masters. You have to study the standard reference book, okay, and you have to be the properly you have to study, means first year, second year, all the good books you have to study. Means if you have proper knowledge, then only you are going to clear this next one and next two examination. Find your experience, and you have to give equal importance to all the subjects. And remember, you all don't have to worry that okay, this thing happened, that thing happened. So what are the students, whoever are they in the first year or second year, you people keep on studying. Just the one thing you have to change is that you have to study the proper reference book. Don't just study the past 5 or 10 years papers, or the exam series book. You have to study properly the textbook, okay. And I'm there with you all, my dear students. I will keep on updating you all with all the latest information coming on. So please have a tab on my channel, and if anybody are preparing for the NEET MDS or government exam, or any help you all want, the contact number, the email ID, the website, our app details are there on the screen. So dear students, thank you all. Any doubt you people have, you can contact me.